When it comes to packing for a holiday, we all have our own style. Some people fold, some people roll their clothes. But which one is the most efficient? One person who has packed her fair share of suitcases is joining us this morning. Travel expert Natalie Preddy, welcome back.
Thank you very much.
I have to let you know, packing is a little bit of an obsession of mine. Like, I watch it on Instagram. I would watch a whole TV show if they had it. So I'm really, really glad that you are here today. This would be the ideal, right?
Yes, so this is what we're aiming for. I mean, we want to have a week in a carry-on, you know, with checking bag fees so high these days. We want to see how we can make it all work. Oh, yeah. Okay. Absolutely.
Well, you've got some great tips to help us get to this.
Yeah, so first of all, you want to pick a color scheme that you can put all your basics in for the week. Have a few statement pieces as well that you can throw over top to just change up your outfit a little bit.
Like a scarf or a necklace?
Scarf or a necklace or a vest, something like that.
Okay.
Wear your heaviest items as well.
Keep them out of the suitcase.
Keep them out of the suitcase. Wear your coat, heavy shoes, anything like that. If you can do laundry where you're going, you also want to do that. So that's an option. You want to make sure that you can do that.
Okay.
And finally, see what you can get when you arrive at your destination. So if you're traveling with kids, diapers, you want to get them shipped there. Oh. So I always say that to parents that ask.
That's really smart.
Yeah, so you can get them shipped there, and then you don't have to carry them, lug them through the airport.
Okay, you've brought some items that you never go on holiday without.
Absolutely.
Please show us your ways. What is it, and why are these your must-haves?
So packing cubes are a must-have, and I'm sure as a packer you know that.
I love them.
Packing cubes, yep. They help organize everything and compress everything as well, so we're able to fit everything.
They're also really easy to unpack when you get to your destination.
Exactly.
You just pull them out of your suitcase and pop them in a drawer.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. So I also have a jewelry carrier, so you can put all of your earrings here. You have your necklaces as well, so you don't spend your whole holiday trying to untangle your necklaces. And this is also great for tech as well, so all of your chargers.
So this is like a jewelry thing, but you've used it for tech?
But you use it for tech. So this one is actually, so you can just, you know, put it up like this.
And then you're not digging in your bag for your earphones and chargers.
They're not tangled or anything like that. And Ziploc bags. So
these are very pretty Ziploc bags.
I know. So you can reuse these actually, which is great. There's one specifically for pills, smaller ones, larger ones, and they're great to bring extras of as well, just in case. And then, of course, we have some shirts here, and they're all in the like a white and a gray color scheme, and then some pants. So if we want to fold this one in, we're going to pack that suitcase before we head off somewhere glorious. We're just going to, and because it's so light, we can put that one into quarters.
So like this?
Yep. Just want to make it as flat.
Do one more?
Sure, we could do one more. Okay. And just make it as flat as possible. So actually, we've got, you know, we've got a lot of shirts in here.
Let's look at all the shirts she has.
We've got about 10 shirts in there, believe it or not.
This is, and you know what? They're all white T-shirts, which is good. So this was your scheme, right? Gray, white,
gray, white,
a bit of blue.
And we're going to put this one into thirds.
Okay, and how many pairs of pants do you bring?
So I would bring about 3 pairs of pants.
Okay.
So in here, I've got some leggings as well, because, you know, you're gonna, if you like to work out while you're going, you need to be comfy.
And you pop that in there, and then these go here?
And those go there, yep.
See, so I love packing cubes.
And then, you know, lastly, you'd want to put on top your laundry bag and your toiletries as well. You know, like this, you've got them all in a clear bag, so going through security, you know, they're all here, under 100 mils. You can say, here it is. And then you just pop all this stuff on top.
This is your last to-do.
These are your last to-dos.
And hopefully you don't need anyone to sit on your suitcase to get it done.
Yes, exactly, exactly. And your jewelry as well.
Yeah, don't forget that. You need to be fancy.
Want to forget your
Natalie,
jewelry.
this was great. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
I loved learning how to pack like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.